What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Tuesday. So just a friendly reminder, tomorrow is the FOMC meeting. It's going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I am planning on live streaming it, but I'll leave it up to you guys. Tomorrow is going to be my last day here in Hawaii. So if you guys don't want me to, definitely don't have to. But if this video gets over 1,500 likes, then I'd be more than happy to host that free live stream here on YouTube. All you have to do is smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, because if not, then YouTube will not notify you when I actually go live. So I'm going to cover three things today. And the first thing is, why did the market go up today? NASDAQ started kind of a little bit in the red and then shortly corrected itself back into the green, ended 1.43% in the green for QQQ, which is the single leveraged ETF for NASDAQ, right? Three main reasons on what led this rally. Tomorrow is the FOMC meeting. So what that means is right now the market is factoring in that the Federal Reserve will pause any future interest rate hikes that can, add some more just hot water for larger banks. The second thing is I wanted to share this article with you that I just wrapped up. And it says bank shares rallied today, which again, if you look into like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, those all rose today as Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen expressed confidence in the nation on Tuesday and suggest that the government would step in to protect smaller banks if needed. This was the crazy part, I think, out of this article, that they are, for the first time, even if it's just temporary, are thinking of actually increasing the insurance of $250,000 by the FDIC, right? So that means that potentially we could be at 350, maybe $500,000 instead of each account being at 250,000. Because what's happening very often right now, more now than ever before, if people had a small bank and they had over $250,000, kind of like what was going on with Silicon Valley. They were taking out their money from smaller banks or less popular banks and then putting that money into multiple different accounts. Let's say that you have $1 million, right? Instead of putting $1 million in one account from your smaller bank, you transfer that into JP Morgan or Bank of America, and you split it into 4 different accounts. So it's really hurting smaller banks, which is, I think, why Janet Yellen is stepping in and saying that they will take additional steps if needed to protect smaller banks and maybe increase that insurance by the FDIC. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And one of the last things is that we need to take into consideration is all these bailouts that are happening, right? With what's going on in Switzerland with Credit Suisse, right? And then First Bank Republic that happened over in New York, and then Silicon Valley Bank. Again, the main focus that we're trying to see right now is based off of what is reported tomorrow. Like, it's not an if, it's based off of what is reported tomorrow will determine if the market continues to rally or if the market begins to pull on back, right? We're at that same exact resistance level that we talked about, that if we found a support, right? So when we were testing the support at 290, we're literally at that same exact resistance level that we have been getting rejected at for the past couple of months. With that being said, the resistance is at 310. We've been getting rejected there multiple times. Patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. And again, this is why I say that, if you are someone that's a little bit newer to the overall market, it maybe isn't the worst idea to either be cash or to be pretty light with the positions that you are choosing to take leading up to tomorrow and the significance of tomorrow. Because if the Federal Reserve raises interest rates more than what's expected and they stay the course, right, this can cause the market to pull on back, possibly retrace back to 290. If they stay the course and potentially don't raise interest rates at all, the market might view that as a positive thing, and we can blow right through this 310 resistance and work our way to trying to make new highs. And looking at the day chart, I mean, we have a lot of upside to work with, right? But it's too early to tell. So instead of trying to predict the future, if you've burned yourself very often by trying to predict, right, our job is just to prepare. So if you have any questions about that, I hope that you know that my direct messages are always open. I'm not going to be telling you what to do, because you should never be told what to do, but I'm here to assist you and help you overcome any challenges that you might have, maybe about your position size and or the importance of staying cash. So very excited to be able to host that live stream tomorrow for the FOMC meeting, but I'll leave it up to you guys. Again, get this video to over 1,500 likes and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I am going to be trading live once I get back from my trip in Hawaii, and if you want the ability to watch me trade live every single day, then again, I work with one team and one team only, and that's my LPP team. They get to watch me trade live every single day. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and yes, you do get automatically entered 5,000 times for our GTR giveaway, right? Or you can head on over to shoptechbuds.com for a chance to win. Again, the more you shop, the more that you earn for the $50,000 cash or the GTR. So 2 ways to enter. You can either shop at shoptechbuds.com or the second link in the description down below by signing up for Learn Plan Profit. All new members get automatically entered 5,000 times, and that's that second link in the description down below. And we are running our biggest sale right now, and that's $150 off. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the live trading or for the live FOMC meeting, and we'll leave it at that. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.